You have to, you got to get out of that artist mindset. You are a business owner, right? You're a businessman or a businesswoman. That's what you do. Your business provides solutions, right? They provide cinematic solutions. They provide solutions using whatever skill set you have. Photography, videography, insert that there. And that is what you do for companies. You're a solution provider that use media to provide that solution. You're a doctor that write prescriptions of media and content to that client or patient, which is your client. That is what you do. You no longer create pretty pictures and cute stuff. That is for hobbyists. That is for artists. So get out of that mindset. And that's why so many don't make money in this industry, because they focused on being the artist and didn't focus on being the business man or woman behind that artistry.